you want to see how I made my fan look like this, just stay tuned. Ready? Look at that. Look at this. I saw this up there and it cost $39. Cost $39 and can you see that? So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna try to fit it on up there. I may have to get an extender, but I am gonna try to fit it on my ceiling fan. So, wouldn't that look gorgeous up here? I think it'll be gorgeous. Now that I got it up here, I'm like, okay, do I take the arms off of my fan, or do I just get something to hook around the fan? I don't want this to spin. So I think if I have something to where the extender is on there, or I run a cord across from this end to the other end, so where it hangs on this piece here, I think that'll work out. All right, around the ceiling fan, up there where the switch is, they got some little screws up there. So I attached 2 of these together. I may attach 3 just to give myself some room to work, even though this is enough. I think I'm attached 3. I'm gonna make one long line, and I'm just trying to see if it'll work. I'm gonna make one long line with this, and I'm gonna go around the base of the ceiling fan. Then I'm gonna make me some circles. I'm gonna make me some circles like this. Make me some circles. And I'll make me some circles. Okay, got 4. I'll probably make 6 circles. Just something that, because once I do the zip tie around the base part of it, it's going to be high, because the zip ties is what's going to hold the circles up. It's really going to be something. Okay, so I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put 8 circles, make 8 circles. 8 circles. Once I make my 8 circles, I am going to put it around the stem of the, make sure all of them going the same way. I'm gonna put it around the stem of the ceiling fan. And this is just temporary so that I can see what direction I'm going in. So now that I got my 6 rings with that, I'm gonna stick it on the long string part. Okay. Make sure enough of those is clipped down. So it should look like this. So I am going to put it around here, the base of my, I don't want to pull it too tight because I'm going to need these to be able to, and I want to make sure it's over the screws. So what I'm going to do is just have 2 right here. Hopefully I'll be able to slide these things where I want to slide them. But I want to make sure that they're over the screws, because the screws is the strength of the fan. What's going to keep this thing up here. And so now all I'm doing is making sure that I'm distributing these little rings around so that they will hang, you know, evenly. So for all four sides, I got 2 zip tie rings, right? So the rings, so what I'm gonna do next, so what I'm gonna do next is take my basket and I am going to put, let me see, I am going to put zip ties in here and zip tie it to the ceiling fan. So I may have to get my son to help me. Hold it the best you can, even if it's against the blades, but don't press it against there because I ain't trying to break the blades. I'm just trying to get some stability. All right, guys, this is going to give me the look that I want until I can go get a ceiling fan extender screw. I just needed to hold it up here to see, you know, if this was going to work, and so far it's working. I don't mind even if I go get some juke string, and if I go get some juke string and, you know, cover the zip tie with it. This zip tie technique is working. So if this is the big part of the ceiling fan to come down, I just put 3 of these together, make sure it was sturdy around the screws that already come with the ceiling fan, you know. And I made sure that that was going to hold the zip tie up there. It's sort of hard to explain, but as you see, it's working. Let's see if it'll work. This is so perfect. So guys, that's how I did the ceiling fan. Only thing you need is a basket from Ross. The basket costs $39. You need some zip ties, and you can leave your existing ceiling fan intact. So guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. This is just the second part of my room makeover. But if this is something that you want to do to pretty up your ceiling fan, then I hope this helped you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.